was an absolute amazing day, amazing people, and you made me feel so at home, you know. I don't want to go back. I don't get such a welcome at home. It's not just my story. I represent millions of people who had similar stories. But the whole idea of this terrible period, the Holocaust, cannot be forgotten. Well, to be accepting of other people, don't be prejudgmental, don't have crazy ideas in your head that all people are a certain way just because you've heard it at home or from your friends. Be friends with the other who is not like you, and you will find out that you will be blessed for it. As leaders, I want them to know you can make something out of adversity, and don't sit idly by. Make something of yourself. There's a lot of adversity in life, but you can overcome it and try to overcome it and have a dream of your life.